I'm Jay, and this is the AprilAire 10 water panel evaporator pad, also known as a humidifier filter. Detailed instructions are located on the back of the box. The water panel is located on the inside of your humidifier, installed within the pad frame with a color mark on top. It acts like a sponge, holding water, which moisturizes the dry air in your home, reducing the negative effects of over-dry air, such as allergy and asthma symptoms, dry nose, itchy skin, cracked, warped wood floors or furniture, and static shocks. It's coated with non-toxic material designed to assist with the even distribution of water. Over the course of the heating season, minerals build up on the pad, restricting the flow of air and water, reducing its efficiency, and possibly causing water to leak into your furnace. Because of its special coating, it is not cleanable and must be replaced a minimum of once per season. Thanks for watching. For additional help or questions, feel free to contact us.